everybody, my name is Krissy and we are here at the Hands-On Discovery Center bringing you another holiday activity. Today we are going to be making fizzy ornaments and we are going to be using a solid and a liquid to create a gas. Now let's go over some supplies first before we begin. We're going to need some baking soda with a spoon. You may want a funnel, some large ornament that you can find at any dollar store, some vinegar, a pipette, or a straw, whichever you have at home. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we are gonna put some of the baking soda inside this ornament. If you don't have a funnel, that's totally fine. It just makes it a little bit easier to pour everything in. And again, there is no measurement for this. You can experiment however you would like. So you can pour in as much baking soda or as little as you want. You can do it a few times just to see the difference. So then we are going to take our liquid, which is our vinegar, and we're just going to pour a little bit of the vinegar inside of the ornament, and we're gonna see what happens. Now instantly, you're gonna start seeing a reaction. You're gonna see a whole lot of bubbles. That is the gas, and that gas is called carbon dioxide. And when vinegar and baking soda meet up, that's when the gas appears. You can also use a drinking straw instead of a pipette if you don't have that. And you just put it in the same way you would. Or you can go totally out and use your funnel again and pour the whole thing in and see what happens. Look at all those bubbles. So we have created a gas just by combining the solid baking soda and the liquid vinegar. All right, so that is our fizzy ornament experiment that you can try with just a regular cup if you don't have an ornament at home. Let us know how you like this experiment and how you tried it out in different ways. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you later. Bye.